going on adventures.
Planes in a minute.
Plane watching. Free Greg's coffee. Should we get that? £10.50. Oh, this is me. Bye. Bye. Yes, thank you.
Wouldn't be a backpacking Bryoni.
Rabina. We're going to Budapest.
Why did Hungary go to war?
Because they wanted Turkey.
They wanted Turkey. I'm nearly there.
We're going on adventures.
Planes in a minute.
Plane watching.
No, you
Yes.
normally do your train watching.
I know, plane watching now. I've had a coffee instead of a tea. That can only mean one thing.
Free coffee.
It was actually, yeah, free. Free Greg's coffee.
I'm Rabina or something. One star rating.
Yeah.
I think Greg should just give out free stuff.
That honestly made my day.
It's a great business thing, isn't it?
It's made my day, but also I feel like I've got a lot of energy I need to...
Are you going to be bouncing off the plane?
Yeah. We're going out. We're going out. We've got way too much energy for 8:27 in the morning.
I haven't even had breakfast yet.
It's the coffee. Whoa. We're going on holiday. We're going on holiday, aren't we? We're going. Oh,
We are already on the holiday. Gatwick is the holiday.
we're staying here for a whole week at Gatwick Airport.
Yeah. Just going to sleep it on.
Miles in Budapest, my hidden treasure chest. Only better know, but I'm pretty sure I'm singing it wrong. Breakfast. Although I finished mine, stopped it. Hash browns and eggs. Alex is enjoying his breakfast.
Nutritious meal.
Nutritious meal.
Somebody's give me a reminder. You know those like chocolate animal biscuits? Remind me of these.
Should we get that?
£10.50.
I did just buy a book though. In keeping, isn't it? The Wedding People.
And it's edible.
Because we've booked our wedding day. Exciting! Would you want one that big?
That is cool. Where would you put it?
We're going on the plane! Another river. Wow. There's our plane. Oh, this is me. Bye. Bye. Oh. Don't know where Alex is. I've lost him. Gotta be coming soon. Alex, where are you? Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, hello. Fancy seeing you here.
No.
Fancy seeing you. It's a bloody art.
I'm feeling a bit hungry here.
I'm sweltering. You look so tired.
I had about 4 hours sleep.
Oh, did you not sleep on the plane?
I can never sleep in beds. Never do it. As far as I'm not asleep now.
Yeah, you do look quite tired. Oh, crack a joke.
Rather than that,
Oh, crack a joke. I'm hungry. We're hungry. I came here if there was. Fingers crossed. If not, it's chips for me. I'm gonna do a little room tour. Okay. Let me in.
Well, hello.
Oh, hello
What are
there.
you doing here?
I've come to see the place. What have we got
Isn't this a
then?
coincidence?
What have we got then? We've got a little coffee.
God, that is a weird coffee machine.
Well, we've got a kettle, which is great. We've got some coffee.
Don't give away the Wi-Fi password.
Oh, everyone can use it. Oh, tea. Definitely going to need more. Oh, just to let you know, the minibar, it's not free.
Oh.
But let's have a little look. You might need to mind your
The Diet
case.
Cokes will do.
What do we get in? Oh. Oh,
It's empty.
well, it's empty.
We've got no water, so we need water.
So we can buy some water. Oh, should have a little look. Oh, that's bright.
That's an amazing view.
Is that?
It feels very like American.
Yeah, it's
This poster seems very like... It's
rustic.
We're back in New York.
got a little chair, table,
TV.
the bed. Got a TV.
Oh, that, do you know what, that is so good? Never hotels do they ever
Oh yeah,
have that.
TV channels.
Actually show you TV channels.
It's the sport.
MP4. Well, we've got no Formula 1 on while we're here, so we're covered for that.
Covered for that. Should have a little look in the wardrobe. Is there anything in the wardrobe? Let's have a little look in here. Oh, it's quite a big wardrobe actually. And then the
Bathroom looks really nice.
yeah, the bathroom's massive actually. Hello, hello, hello. And then we've got a nice big shower. We've got some little things here. I think this must be soap. And then I don't know if this has got stuff. No, is it?
We got that towels.
They're on the bed. The towels might be on the bed.
Oh,
They are on the bed. So this is our little room tour.
How do
So,
you
yeah.
rate it out of all the hotel rooms?
It's not really, it doesn't feel like a hotel. Downstairs felt like a hotel.
It was a bit
It
weird.
was very
coming up.
like,
It feels like you're in someone's house.
yeah, it feels like this bit feels like you're in someone's house. But it's kind of like, I don't know,
In a nice way.
kind of like it. It's quite homely, but it's definitely not hotel-like.
No.
However, downstairs, when you check in, it's very like spa bliss.
Oh,
And we've got a swimming pool, haven't
I
we?
mean, for a man who only had 4 hours sleep, it was hard just getting out of that reception without falling asleep just because of the music.
They've got really relaxing music, and yeah, there's a spa. We might be
I'm trying my hardest.
having a massage.
We normally do this whole test the best at bed out, but I think if I do that, I will
Yeah,
just,
you're not
you'll
gonna get
lose
up.
me.
But yeah, we won't go for a swim today, but we've got a swim, gym, sauna. That's the only reason why we booked
Parliament
it.
building's literally
Yeah,
a 5-minute
we could
walk
probably
away.
go see it. But yeah, this is a little room tour. We're gonna go get food now because we are hungry. Down for food. Let's go.